Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing the third lesson, multiples and factors. In previous videos you learned the divisibility rules. In today's class we are going to learn about common factor and common multiple. Dear students, already you know about this, what are these factors and what are these multiples. Multiples means when two or more numbers multiplied, whatever we get the product, no, for that we are calling multiples. And factor means factor means a number which divides the given number exactly without leaving the remainder. So here multiples, in other way you have to keep in your mind, multiples means you need to write here tables, and here factor means you need to check whether the given number is there in which table. So let us take one example. I will take here 12. Okay, so here multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, so on. So these are multiples of 12. Then what are the factors of 12 here? See here, 12 is there in, yes, it is there in 1 12 za, 12 1 za. Next here 3 4 za, 4 3 za. 1 12 za, 12 1 za, 3 4 za, 4 3 za. Okay, so here next again it will come in 2 6 za and 6 12 za. 6 2 za, 2 6 za. So right here factors of 12 are 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12 and these are the multiples of 12. I hope you are getting my point. So just clear the confusion between factor and multiple. Multiple means you need to write here tables, and factor means you need to check whether the given number is there in which table. Okay, so this is the difference between what? Factor and multiple. So here we need to learn about common factor and common multiple. Dear students, here some examples are there in your my practice time too. So let us solve that. Then how to solve that example? So first example here, what is there? See, find the first three common multiples of the following. Find the first three common multiples of the following. So let us take one example, and I will take here, yes, I will take here 4 and 6. I will take here 4 and 6. See here, they said to find the multiples, then you need to write here tables. Write here 4 ones a table, 4, 8, 12, next 15, next 18, next here, yes, 16, 20, 24, next here 28, so on. And already I told multiples are infinite in number. 4 tens are 40 over means it's completely wrong. Again 11, 12, 13, 14, 100, 400s also multiples are there. So I wrote here first some multiples. 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, so on. So next here 6 is there. Write here 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, next here, so on. So see here I wrote the first means multiples of 4 and multiples of 6. But what is their question here? Common multiple. Common means the number should be both the side. It should be in 4 also, it should be in 6 also. So let us check which number is there common here. See here 12, 12. Next, see here 24 is there. Yes, 24, 24. Okay, next here again you write tables. I need to check because I got here only 2 multiples. Okay, so here what is the question? First, find the first common multiples of the following. So let us see here. So on. So I got here 36 and 36 also common. Common means the number which is multiple of 4 also and the multiple of 6 also. Then tell me the common multiples of 6 are here. The common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, 36. See here dear students, first you need to write the tables. Next you check it out, the both the numbers, common numbers. It should be in 4 ones a table also and 6 ones a table. So write here common multiples of 4 and 6 are, then tell me, yes, that is 12, 24 and 36. They asked only first 3 means you need to write here only 3. If first 5 are there means you need to write the first 5 common multiples of 4 and 6. Okay, clear? Next here I will take one more example from your My Practice Time 2. My Practice Time 2. So just see here, I will take here 5 and 10. 5 and 10. 5 and 10 are there. Then tell me what I need to do here. First I need to write here 5 ones a table, next 10 ones a table. Next you need to check what the common multiples. So write here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, next 15, next 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, next so on. Next here write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, so on. So check here common multiples. So here 5 is not there. 10, 10, yes it is there. So circle this number. Next here 15 here there, but here not there. 20, 20 here also and here also there. So circle this 20. Next here 25 is there, but here 25 is not there. Then next one 30 and here also 30. So here you stop it because I got first 3 common multiples of 5 and 10. So write here common multiples of 5 and 10 are, yes tell me, 10, 20 and 30. And 30 are the first 3 common multiples. Okay, clear? See here 6 examples are there. Among them I have solved here 2 examples and remaining 4 you do as a homework here. First you need to write the tables, next you check it out the common numbers and write the answers. Okay, so here common multiple over. So let us learn about the common factor. Common factor means you need to check whether the given number is there in which table. Okay, I hope you know about the multiples and factors. So here second question is there, find the common factors of the following. So second question is there here, find the common factors of the following. So see here, I will take here 25 and 35. First question, 25 and 35. So write here 25 and write here 35. Then tell me 25 is there in which table? So write here 1 25 is 25 and 5 5 is 25. Other than this number is there in not there in any other table. So write here 1 5 and 25. While arranging, you arrange in ascending order. Next, check it out. The 35 is there in which table? So it is there in 135 and 35 1 and other than this it is there in 5 7 35 and 7 5 35. Dear students, tables are very important while solving this examples. So see here, write in ascending order 1, 5, 7 and 35. Circle here common factors 1, 1, 5 and 5. Therefore, the common factors of 25 and 35 are 1 and 5. Right here common factors of factors are 1 and 5. Understood how to do this? First you need to write the factors. Next you see the common factor. Common means that number should be in 25 also and in 35 also. Okay. So let us take one more example. I will take here 15 and 20. 15 and 20. So tell me 15's factors. 15 is there in 1 ones a table, it is there in 3 ones a table, it is there in 5 ones a table and 15 ones a 15. Next here 20 is there in which table? It is there in 1 ones a table, 2 tens a, next 5 twos a, 5 ones a table. See here, it is there in 1 20s a, next 4 5s a, 5 4s a, next 2 tens a, 10 twos a. Okay. Other than this it is not there in any other table. Arrange in ascending order. So write here 4, next you write here 5, next 10, next 20. So circle here common factors of 15 and 20. So here 1, 2 is not there here. Just you see here next 5 and 5. Other than this here not there. So the common factors are 1 and 5. I hope you are getting my point. First you need to write here common factors. Next you write the common factors. Okay. So here next take one more example. Next you take one more example. Here I will take here 11 and 12. 11 and 12. Already you know 11 is the prime number and 12 is the composite number. Okay, so 11 is there in 1 ones a table and 11 ones a table, and you take here 12, it is there in 1 ones a table, 2 ones a table, 3 ones a table, 4 ones a table, 6 ones a table and 12 ones a table. Okay, dear students, already I taught about prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime number means which has only 2 factors and composite number means a number which has more than 2 factors. So tell me here among this which one is the common? Here 1 and 1. Therefore the common factor is, tell me what is there here? Factor is 1. Okay, dear students, here you have 6 examples. Among them I have solved here 3 examples. Next, see here, then from my practice time 2, page number 114. See here, find the first 3 common multiples of the following. Find the common factors of the following. First main and second main. Sir, after watching this video, solve neatly and send it to my personal number. Very important. For this you need to know the tables. So please keep practicing at least 2 to 20 tables. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.